In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key on Shopify. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate apps or a merchant needing extra features for your store, accessing your Shopify API key is crucial. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. It's a straightforward step, but remember, this action requires you to have administrative access. Go ahead and open your web browser, navigate to the Shopify login page, and enter your credentials. This will bring you to the admin dashboard for your store. Once you're logged in and on the Shopify main dashboard, look for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol, typically located at the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu with a variety of options available for you to customize and manage your store settings. Now, focus your attention on the Apps and Sales Channels section. This is where you manage existing integrations and add new ones. Click on it to proceed. This brings you to a dedicated section that houses all apps connected to your Shopify store. In this section, you're going to want to find and click on Develop Apps. This option allows you to manage apps that are in the development phase and haven't yet been published to your store. Be sure you have the right permissions to access these settings. Next, you'll want to click on Create a Legacy Custom App. This step is critical as it lays the groundwork for obtaining the API key necessary for custom integrations. If you're prompted with any warnings about using custom apps, make sure you understand the implications and the permissions you are granting. Following this, there should be a prompt to sample the app. Click on this option. It's important because it ensures that all functionalities are in place before you create the final version of your app. Once satisfied, click on Create App. This action officially registers your app in Shopify and takes you closer to fetching the API credentials. Navigate to the API credentials area. Here you'll be configuring the permissions your app will need to interact with Shopify's API. Be deliberate with these permissions. Only enable the scopes your app explicitly requires. Now, look for the option labeled Configure Admin API Scopes and click on it. Scopes determine what part of your store's data the app can access, so make sure to tailor these to your app's functionality. Navigate once more to API credentials within the same section. Here, you'll be able to scroll down to a crucial part, displaying your API and secret keys. Once you see your API key, make a note of it. It's vital to copy this key and store it securely because Shopify only shows it once. Losing this key could restrict your app's ability to interface with your Shopify store. And there you have it. That's how you obtain an API key on Shopify. Following these steps ensures you have the tools needed for effective store management and app integration. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep your API key safe.